So the Oakley Metas are arriving way sooner than we thought. I pre-ordered them the other day and they're arriving on the 22nd of July. In this video, I'm going to talk about why specifically I pre-ordered them and tell you guys about an accessory that is already out for the Oakley Metas and a great chat that I had with the maker of this accessory. But first, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of September. So if you want to be a part of that journey and see all things Ray-Ban Meta and now Oakley Meta, as well as all things smart glasses, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the content is going to get better and better. So the Oakley Meta limited edition with actual gold in the glasses dropped on the 11th of July, sometime in the morning. I stayed up to 2 or 3 in the morning and it still hadn't dropped yet. I woke up around 10 or 11 a.m. and it was there. I purchased it along with some interesting competition you're going to want to see from other smart glasses manufacturers. And I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited for it to arrive, as well as the competition. But why did I pre-order it? It's pretty obvious that it is so that I can show you guys how they compare to the Ray-Ban Metas exactly, show all the features, all the improvements, so that you'll really know if it's worth it hands-on, and you can get the best tips for both on this channel. I also am one of the 50% of people who think they look really cool. I know like the other 50% thinks they look hideous. I think they look pretty cool. And obviously the main reason anyone probably is buying them is for the battery life. But the video quality jump will also be a nice thing to see. Now, let me tell you about this crazy accessory that's already out for the Oakley Metas, even though they haven't even shipped yet. It's down in the description, by the way, and I'll show it here, and that is Apex lenses. That's right, they've already made Oakley Meta lenses that will fit into your frames. It's crazy. And they already have a ton of color options. When I saw this, I was actually blown away at how fast they move. And by the way, these are Ray-Ban Meta Apex lenses. I'm just showing you an example of what products they already create. It was the first lens replacements I ever got for the Ray-Ban Metas, and I kept specifically that beautiful dark red maroon type color. I think it looks great. So when I saw the listing for the Oakley Meta accessory at a price of only $19.99, I was blown away. And the listing also showed 12 different pairs of lenses, all of different colors. And there was just an add to cart button. There was no like pick which ones you want. So I was like, no way are they selling 12 pairs of lenses for $20. This is crazy, but if this is real, I need this deal right now. So I bought this accessory for super cheap, thought nothing of it. But then earlier today, I get a call from this completely random number that I've never seen before. There's no name attached to it or anything. And I answer and I'm like, hello? Turns out it is someone with Apex lenses themselves calling to let me know they only had this listing open for an 8-hour window and I just happened to click on it and buy it in that time frame. And it was just a test listing. No one was meant to actually purchase from there. So I got incredibly lucky with just clicking on this and it was just me and one other person. Whoever you are, let me know because that'd be kind of cool if we met. Not really. That'd be kind of weird. He told me that it was a test listing and they hadn't added the customize now button that lets you choose which pair of lenses you want. So he just said, we'll give you the polarized pro version, the best version with the best coating that we have of whichever color that you choose for the price that I paid of $19.99. So I looked at some pictures of the Oakley Metas, the limited edition ones that are white cream color with the yellow sunglass inserts. I looked at the colors I had available and we kind of talked back and forth about what would look best on those frames, and I decided on a dark mirrored blue, which I think would look really cool against that white / cream color. And the great thing is these lenses are arriving at the same time the glasses are arriving. So the glasses will get here and I'll already have an accessory to review, which is super cool. Again, they have a ton of different colors and this customer service experience was just great. He doesn't even know I have this YouTube channel. And he was like, that's really cool that we already sold 2 just with our test listing, and it'd be cool if we sold some more. So I said, don't worry, man, I'm gonna make a video about them really close to basically when I get the Oakley Metas themselves. So I'm sure the fact that you are the very first Oakley Meta accessory will draw some people to that listing and will get you some sales. He's not giving me commission or anything. I just thought this was a really cool call and they had really good customer service and they didn't have to give me a way discounted product at all. They could have just given me the base model without all the fancy coatings or anything like that, since that's what I paid for, despite what the listing said. So I just think it was a really cool customer service experience. So if you want an Oakley Meta accessory before anyone else, and before any other brands have made any Oakley Meta accessories, go ahead and check out that link down there. I think it's crazy that they're so on top of this, and just goes to show how much Apex Lenses really wants to serve the community and provide things that they know that the users are going to want. So again, the link is down there. If you order it right now, it should arrive when the glasses arrive, if you already pre-ordered them, which is really cool. So go ahead and show them some love, get some cool accessories if you want them, but you don't have to at all. If you want to wait for the review, go ahead and wait for that to see if they're actually good or not. I'm really excited because it's going to be the best version of the lenses with all the extra coatings. So we'll see if it really is a premium product, just like the customer service was. If you're enjoying this video and you love saving money like I just accidentally did, you're probably going to want to check out Rakuten. It's just a browser extension like Honey was, except without all the scam stuff. They pay you way more cash back. For instance, right now they have one for Amazon where you get $5 cash back if you buy anything that's $25 or more. You can do this 3 times. So if you're about to buy $75 worth of stuff, split it into 3 purchases and you'll get $15 back just for free on top of any coupon codes you're already using. It's super easy. You just click the little apply coupons at the top when it pops up. Now, I've already collected more than $100 in cash back like this, which is absolutely insane, and it's completely free to download. They don't charge you at all. And if you want $30 for free on top of that, use the link in my description, because if you don't and you just sign up without it, then you're not going to get a free $30. So if you want a free $30 and you want to save way more money, get way more cash back than those other coupon clipping companies, I would definitely recommend this. I think it is one of the most underrated ways to save money. And I only found it because of all the money saving podcasts that I listen to. So check it out if you want to support me just a little bit and get $30 free. Let me know if you're excited for your Oakley Metas to drop, if you're gonna get this accessory too, or if you're that one other person that also bought it before they had a customize now button. Because it'd be really funny if you were in the comments. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.